In the world of semiconductor manufacturing, precision is everything. But even the most advanced processes face invisible enemies. Meet data drift and data shift. Equipment ages, environments change, and maintenance occurs, causing process dynamics to fluctuate constantly. Traditional virtual metrology models often fail to keep up. They can't adapt fast enough to these sudden changes, leading to inaccurate predictions and increased variability. That's why we created Panoptes VM, powered by our proprietary adaptive online learning technology. First, our time-aware normalizer tackles gradual drifts. It ensures that your data remains consistent over time, regardless of equipment aging. Then, our adaptive online learner handles sudden shifts. Whenever new data arrives, it automatically updates the model, self-correcting for sudden shifts without any human intervention. The result? Robust VM prediction models. In real high-volume manufacturing, Panoptes VM requires minimal manual retraining effort, freeing engineers to focus on high-value tasks. Don't just monitor your process, master it. To learn more, visit our website online at www.gausslabs.ai.